Hello guys, before I show you the video I wanted to just give a little update on this scooter because I have released videos of it on the channel because it just had a lot of complications. When I first built it there was bad rim, so whole season I was trying to figure out what's the problem, and I kept having other problems because of my rim and vibrations, and the scooter was jumping. It was crazy, but I didn't have much time, so I was like whole season I was checking if it's a front, the forks, like I did everything, and then in the end I figured out it was the bad rim because the other owner crushed it, but I didn't know that. Then I fixed that, but because of the jumping and the vibrations, some the bolts on the head got loose, so it blew a seal. So I put new seal in it. I rebuilt it basically. Also the bearings were a little bit gone because of all those vibrations. So I rebuilt the whole engine. What I changed was I got other carburetor. This is Motoforce 25 PVK, and also a whole new CVT. So I was just testing this video. Also I got primary and secondary gears from stage 6. I also did that. I was having problems with the rear axle all the time because the factory one is perfect, but when you buy aftermarket there is no third support for the bearing, so you're basically, yeah, you have no support. And this video was just like a test run, which I also had a problem. I mean, the clutch was slipping. It's new clutch, also new variator, everything. That was not a problem. I kept running lean. I could hear it, and I think I figured it out. It doesn't get enough flow, so I will have to fix my reservoir. And hopefully this bike is gonna be ready for tuning because it's not tuned at all. Yeah, I also did a lot of modification in the CVT. As you can see, I'm using Polini nut here with a bigger bearing, so it endures more stress because this engine is high horsepower. But yeah, I don't know. This was a lot of work. It had to be welded, then CNC machined. It was crazy, but in the end I hope this season I will have time to actually tune this bike and it will run good, hopefully. Anyways, enjoy the video.